Beneath the ancient whispering willow, a young philosopher pondered life's mysteries. "Why do we seek meaning?" he asked the tree, its leaves rustling like a gentle whisper. "Because," the tree seemed to reply, "meaning is the thread that weaves our existence." The philosopher, intrigued, asked, "What if there is no meaning?" The tree's branches swayed. "Then we create our own, like artists painting on a blank canvas." As the sun set, the philosopher realized that life's questions were not meant to be answered, but to be lived. He smiled, feeling the weight of wisdom in the tree's embrace.